First of all, I would like to respect Professor Kenyanta. Today, I would like to summarize uh, chapter 5 on the topic of summative-based formative assessment. This chapter suggests it focuses on how summative assessment, like simple standardized tests, can be used in a formative way to improve learning. Typically, such chapter cover point like definition and purpose. 1. Explain the difference between summative and formative assessment. So how summative result can inform teaching and learning strategy. And one more, integration in learning. Discuss using summative data to identify gap in student understanding. Suggest feedback. Love where summative assessment guide ongoing instruction. Benefit and challenge. Highlight benefits such as accountability, measurable progress, and target environment and target intervention. Not the challenge like over emphasize on testing or misalignment with learning goal. Practical application provide example of how teacher can adapt some material result for formative purpose. May include strategy like item analysis, reflective activity, or different instruction. Chankas, now my summarizing is finished. Thank you, teacher.